Okay, so I'm live now, and this is part two. Um, in part one, I found out that I did not enable virtual machine setting, which I later found in this documentation or guide. So basically, I have enabled WSL, but I did not enable virtual machine, and it had some issues. So after enabling it, if we go to Windows features on or off, uh, this window will pop up, and then here we have the virtual machine platform, and now it's turned on. So if it's turned on, then we can start installing and everything. So as I can see, to run the command prompt in admin, okay. So I'm going to open a terminal. Okay, why this window is so big? Let me reopen the terminal. It's still so big, but never mind. It's okay. We will just width a bit. Okay. So okay. Run as admin. Okay. Okay. And uh, although in previous stream I have tried to install it like 2 times, but it kind of failed and did not install. So here I would just type WSL install and hit enter. This command prompts your system to download and install the latest version of WSL, setting up the fundamental structure for Linux. Okay. So it's downloading Ubuntu now. Wow, this download speed is pretty good. In the last stream I was like playing chess and I had a super bad game. It was just so bad. And so bad. Damn. So later I'll play another game of chess. I'll just wait. Pretty fast, pretty good. So I'll check on my phone. How does the stream look? Because this is my first day streaming and I have never streamed before this. View channel. Feavel. Okay. Oh, nice. It prompted me with a window here. Yes, I'll move it. So here I can see welcome to Windows subsystem for Linux. Okay, thanks for welcoming. I have Ubuntu, Debian, and OpenSSL. I wish I could install all of them. That would be great. Looks cool, but the Windows favorite Linux tools, utilities, applications, and workflow directly in Windows. Take a moment to preview some of the community favorite features. Let's take a look. Actually, it's pretty helpful. In OBS, I would just switch to the browser view. Best practices. Setting up username and password. Like how much do I want to set up a password? Well, actually, I don't want to set up a password. Add additional distributions. Okay. Choose a Linux distro. Tips for installing. Keep your Windows update. Choose a Linux distribution. Use PowerShell for more advanced configuration. Okay, this is pretty cool and everything, but I think I have to working across file systems. Sorry. So it has like a small guide here. Sorry for not talking for a while. Well, I kind of not really really know, but network apps across Windows and Linux operating systems. This is pretty useful because if I would be developing, yeah. Distro management. Okay, maybe in the future, Docker integration. VS Code. Well, I don't know if I want to use VS Code. I want to use Z more, the editor, but let's just stick what we have now. So I guess let's deleted the first letter. Maybe I should just do admin. I do Feavel. Yeah, I should do Feavel. New password. Oh, let's do something simple. That works. To run a command as admin user, root use sudo command. Okay, so we are in the system, right? I believe so. Yeah, we're in the system, nice. So we have installed the WSL, and let's see what we can do about it. First, I want to have maybe I should find a guide and just follow it, and then later on we can post it on the website. can I have Z? But I don't like launching Z from home. Um, does this work? Oh, really? Pretty cool, huh? Nice. Um, so it has this like command Explorer exe, and then I can just browse the files. So if I'm not wrong, I should go to the home directory. We have cache, bash, profile, and everything. Nice. Um, is it correct that I can use Notepad to open some mm, like files? Blah, blah, blah. Mm, uh, what? Uh, what? Where am I? Oh, it doesn't show the dot extensions. So, this is not good. Let's enable to show the dot something extensions. Mm, let's just run it. Like, who doesn't like updating packages? Oh yeah, I haven't seen. Okay, so on iPhone, it has like a border. It's not very great. I need more padding for this. Okay, that's pretty cool. Mm. Nice. Moving the camera so it fits the iPhone a little bit better. I guess I also have to change the terminal. 1 second. Hmm, this also might work, but let's do it the better way. This is nasty. Okay. So we have upgraded packages and let's run some updates. Also, I'll quickly check how this work on PC or a pretty clean stream, and if ever pops out in somebody's recommendation, it will be nice. Okay, so everything updated, and after the upgrade, add additional distributions. Should we do that? I think not now. Set up Windows Terminal. Windows Terminal can run any application with the command line interface. mm, 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 okay. Mm, I don't need it now. Um, this background stuff. Okay, file storage. Well, to be honest, this command is pretty neat and makes life a whole lot simpler. Okay. Oh, it says to install the VS Code, but I'm really not a VS Code fan because I have used it for a very, very long time, and since then it became very, very bulky. And with all the extensions and everything, it just slows down the development, like speed and everything. Although I have like some plugins that only run in code. I'm kind of thinking. Um, well, I should install it. Should I? Should I not? Should I? Let's just focus on the useful stuff first. Okay, to set up Git, this is pretty important. Let's see, setting up Git. It has a it also has a database, which I don't need right now. Let's check if we have Git by default. Yeah, of course we do. It's Linux. Um, nice. I wish I had like the whole system view, but we don't have it right now, but it's okay. There's remote development. There is also the database. Uh, let's see. How does the GPU acceleration work? Um, Currently browsing this. It's for machine learning. Okay. Well, I'm not going to do a whole bunch of machine learning for now, so I'll just skip this part. Basic commands. Run Linux tools from a Windows command line. WSL, LSLA. This is nice. Let's test it out real quick. So we have this PowerShell, and let's just do pretty cool, huh? Nice. But why do I have? I want it to be an admin. I can I hop into the WSL from here? Let me just close it, relaunch the terminal, and see what it has. Oh, it's still in admin mode. This is not very good, but at least I have this option to just press the tab. Okay, you can't see it, but I can press this tab and open Ubuntu up. Pretty nice, but I want to set the Windows PowerShell language. Let's do a default profile because icons off. Okay. Yeah, I have to press save if I'm not wrong. Okay, I'll be going to terminal again. Oh, it's still in admin. I remember because, of course, well, my user is name admin. Which is fucking stupid, but anyway. Um, let's make it a bit in the center. Username, but a whole lot different. But let's go to. Why do I have two Ubuntu's? How are they different? The local proxy configuration was detected, but not mirrored into WSL. WSL is NAT mode, does not support localhost proxies. Okay. Oh, it's not gonna be able to use a proxy. How about this one? Although they have a different design, which I don't understand why. But anyway, okay, you can see it. Sorry. So these two are like pretty similar, but they don't have the same design. Let's just what was the command again? I keep forgetting. REXE, okay. Let me rename it to a home. So now when I press OS, we have like home text file. I want to add Z editor. Or maybe I should just create a home directory here. Let's do a folder with the name playground. And here actually let's do projects. So here I'll be placing my projects. And okay. I don't have any projects yet, but okay. Let's continue exploring then. We have the explorer and everything. Do I want Zash? Oh my Zash. Or do I want type of terminal do I want to? Do I want to use Zash or Bash? Use Bash. Uh, Ed with Windows subsystem for Linux. Pretty cool. That is compatible with Windows subsystem for Linux, allowing you to edit files in Linux environments from your Windows machine. You can open a folder in Z using command from WSL. Let's turn off the thing for a second. Uh, cool. Um, Next, we need a couple of things to make sure Z, which relies on GPU acceleration, plays in nice with Windows subsystem for Linux too. Um, Rule can require. Okay, cool. Let's do it then. So we have installed the Vulkan, and now we will install the rest of the dependencies. So it's gonna be a while, so let's play a game of chess then. Earlier this day, I had a very, very bad game. We're playing with black pieces, finally. Okay, I know there's a really cool line, like the fishing hook. Let me try to play it. If the opponent doesn't really play it, then it's okay too. Maybe he'll be playing the London system. Let's see if he goes bishop. Okay, he goes bishop here. Let us also develop the bishop. Maybe he will take. Ah, he does. This is really bad because I can go here, 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 here. But his knight is really weirdly placed. I should just attack his knight. But let me do it this way then. Well, my opponent plays pawn. We have this bishop. We can actually just try to attack everything, and maybe he will fall for it. He can trade queens, right? But I'll be getting this pawn. Okay, he plays something like this. I'll be just... this knight is super strong here. Should I just kick the bishop out? I think yeah. Oh, he trapped my knight. Right. I don't think he's gonna blunder because my knight can... mm, although I'm losing pretty badly. My bishop up. And his knight is pretty strong though. Not gonna walk my king because he has these rooks. I haven't really played in a while now. I think I'll have to start marching these pawns, right? Yeah, if I play this, sooner or later he gonna have this. Feel like this is not good. Maybe I think I have to open up my... Yeah, I have to open up my bishop like this, I guess. Target the rook. But also maybe I have to do something like... Okay, he tries to block it, but with what? I kind of not really understand it. Anyway, there's my bishop right here. I want to be able to play this, and his piece maybe will go here. Well, I'm doing pretty bad here. Yeah, I knew. But now his piece, his knight, pretty good, but he can jump to this square. which I cannot protect in any way. Yeah, maybe I should just try to open up like this. Mm, hmm. I really don't want to take the knight because hmm, yeah, I kind of guessed it. I would try to grab my knight. Well, my pieces are locked, but so is his because he cannot bring his um. Maybe I'll just try to stack up the rooks and try to bring them over through here. Which looks very, very fucking weird. He can trade. Hmm. About what's next, huh? Um, I don't have anything. Even with this thing gone. Let's just takes. He cannot take, right? Then I'll just move back and forth then. I don't have anything. Mm, Huh, my camera went out. Um, Maybe I'll get a draw in this game. I hope I get a draw in this game. But I don't think that I'll be getting a draw. Mm, Yeah, boy, we gotta draw in this game, huh? Cool. Really cool. Okay, so since my camera ran out of battery, I'll have to stop streaming and we'll continue next time. Bye, guys.